Hi, everybody. This is Dr. Meaghan Kirschling with One Agora Health. One of my passions in health and wellness is women's health, and I've been doing women's health now for over a decade. And I just really like putting together the full picture of health and wellness for women. And one of the things that is really a big component of this that I think we don't talk about enough is not only sexual function, but the health and wellness of our reproductive system. One of the services that we offer here is vaginal rejuvenation. And I love this option for women because not only does it help improve just vitality of life, but it really helps to improve and maintain sexual function throughout our lifespan. So we use the Core Intima laser here, which is a CO2 laser that helps to actually resurface not only the internal vaginal wall, but also we can use it externally. There's a lot of different ways and reasons that we can use this device. We have a lot of women come in post-pregnancy who have incontinence or other things that we see when that vaginal tissue starts to have to undergo trauma or other effects where it's not as elastic as it should be. We can then use a CO2 laser to help to resurface that, to help lift up that bladder and be able to support the bladder the best that it can. So for women who've just had a baby who are constantly crossing their legs when they sneeze or don't want to go to a high intensity workout class because they're afraid that they're going to leak urine, CO2 resurfacing is a fantastic result. The other population that we've really seen a huge benefit is either perimenopause or postmenopause. When we start to lose hormones, especially estrogen, that really affects those vaginal tissues because they are so receptive to estrogen. So what we can do then is use a non-hormonal method, the CO2 laser, to be able to stimulate resurfacing of that vaginal wall. It's a great option and really the only option for women that have undergone cancer treatment for any kind of hormone issues. Because one of the treatments is that we decrease estrogen levels in your body, they're not a great candidate and that person's not a great candidate for any kind of estrogen replacement. But we can use safely and effectively a CO2 laser to get those cells to be resurfaced, to plump up, and to get them vital again. I love our Core Intima laser. I love the results that we get. I love changing women's life with this device. And I love the ability to be able to offer this to women who need it. If you guys ever want a free consultation, we offer them to see if you're a good candidate and to answer all of your questions. And you also can find a lot of information by either looking up the Core Intima or going to our website to find out more information. And as always, you can email us at info@oneagorahealth.com or call the office at 952-681-2157.